did this longing start? Where did it begin? I know you may think it odd that all credit goes to him. Surely I played my part. Surely I let him in. But how could I let him in if I was still dead in sin? How could I call him Lord before I'd been restored? 'Cause he takes my heart and breathes new life in it, and he makes himself my soul's delight. So it is not of him who wills, and it is not of him who runs, but God it is who shows mercy. Thank God for mercy. And he speaks life into what was dead before, and his word becomes my daily bread. So all who come he has called, and all whom he calls will come, and God receives all the glory for what he has done. How can I honor him? How can I make it known? Great is the Lord's salvation, and awesome the things he's done. What can I give to him? I've got nothing on my own. I deserve damnation. He is the Holy